Assalamualaikum student. Hope you all are fine. Today we discuss the topic of the chapter wave, that is the sound wave. What is sound wave? Let us find together. Every sound we hear that are through the vibration. When something vibrate, it oscillate back and forth really fast. When we speak or sing, our vocal cord move and vibrate, creating sound. You can feel the vibration by gently resting on the front of your neck. The air is all around us. Here, if we take the air that is all around us is made up of the particle. These particles are actually carry sound. When we speak, they vibrate the particles in the air. This vibration is transferred to the another particle. So that's why we hear the sound through these vibration of the particles. These vibration of the particles can move through three states of matter, that is the solid, liquid, and gases. So these sounds that can move through solid, liquid, and gases. Here we draw the particles of the solids. We know that the particles of the solid that are close together. Here we draw the particles of the solids that are closely packed. When the particles are very close together, then the sound wave can easily move through it because vibration of the particle easily transfer between them. So sound travel faster in solid but lower in liquid. Why sound travel not faster in liquid? Because in liquid the particles are far away, so the force of attraction between them is less. So vibration of the particle is take time to transfer to the other particle. And gases is also less sound travel because the particles are more far away than the liquid. So here is the solid, liquid, and gases. So what we understand here, the more densely packed the particle are faster the sound travel. That's why sound travel faster in solid than the liquid, slows as all of the gases, and sound cannot travel in a vacuum like space. If we talk about the space having no particle, so sound cannot travel, because for the movement of the sound wave we need some particle, we need the medium for the movement of the sound wave. In space there is the vacuum, there is no particle is present in the vacuum, so waves can so this is because there is no particle for the sound to vibrate. We understand here what is a sound wave. A sound wave is a sound wave is the pattern of disturbance caused by the movement of energy or vibration traveling through a solid, liquid, and gases. So these are about the sound wave. Next we discuss about the electromagnetic waves. Imagine that a particle has an electric charge. Here we take the particle that have the any electric charge, let's say that have the positive charge on the particle. This positive charge create an electric field around it. This electric field is static. This electric field is static because this charge is stationary. Whenever the charge is stationary, they produce the static electric field around it. This is electric field is static because the charge is the motionless. Imagine now that we now accelerate the charge. Here we accelerate the charge. The particles acquire a certain speed according to special relativity. The speed led to the appearance of the magnetic field around it. Whenever the charge moves, they create the magnetic field around it. Here is the charge that is moved with the speed. They create the magnetic field around it. Always remember that when this charge is stationary, they produce the static electric field. When the charge is moved, that produce the magnetic field around it. So here is also create the electric field, and when they rest and if moving, they produce electric field and magnetic field. This electric field and magnetic field are linked together. They are two components of the same object. So here is the particle that is in the rest position that is also moved. So they have the electric field and magnetic field. Here we represent electric field by E and magnetic field represented by B. So they have the both component, electric field and magnetic field, when the charge is static and also is moving. The two electric field and magnetic field interact with each other. The electric field that disturb the magnetic electric field disturb the magnetic field, and magnetic field that disturb the electric field. So this cycle it move on. The electric field disturb magnetic field and magnetic field disturb the electric field. Step by step, this electric field and magnetic field will influence with each other. They spreading out in the space. How they spreading out in the space? In the form of the wave. Here we draw the wave of the electric field. Here we say that this is the wave of the electric field. This is the wave of the electric field. Now we draw the wave of the magnetic field. Here is the magnetic field that is move side by side of the electric field. So this is the magnetic field. So how they link together, electric field and magnetic field? So they are, when they are linked together, they're spreading out through the space, and so the space at the speed of the light. They move at the speed of light. This phenomena is known as the electromagnetic wave. These are called the electromagnetic wave, which have both the component electric field and magnetic field. So here we write that these are the electromagnetic waves. So now we understand what is the electromagnetic wave, how the electromagnetic waves are produced. Okay, one more thing, learn about the electromagnetic wave. Electromagnetic wave can move it on its own without needing a medium. Here we learn that the sound wave required a medium for traveling, but the electromagnetic not required any medium for the travel because electric field and magnetic field interact and keep energy flowing. ठीक है, keep energy flowing. So here we write that electromagnetic wave can move on its own without a medium. It does not require a medium for movement of the electromagnetic wave because electric and magnetic field interact and they keep energy flowing. So that is all about the sound wave and electromagnetic wave. Hope you like my video. If you learn about the concept of the sound waves and electromagnetic wave, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.